Navigating the digital nomad lifestyle, your essential guide for the best travel insurance. Welcome, digital wanderers and remote work enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a topic that's as essential as your passport when living the nomadic lifestyle: finding the best travel insurance for digital nomads. For those of you who blend work and travel, transforming cafes and beachfronts into offices, you know that your lifestyle is unique. But with this freedom comes the need for a special kind of safety net. Standard travel insurance might not cover the full spectrum of a nomad's life, from extended stays in foreign lands to protecting the tech that is your livelihood. And in this video, we'll explore what makes digital nomad insurance different, ensuring your adventures are as secure as they are exhilarating. Stay tuned as we unfold the specifics of living and working remotely and why regular travel insurance just doesn't cut it for digital nomads. Who are digital nomads? Digital nomads are individuals who embrace a location-independent, technology-enabled lifestyle. And this allows them to travel and work remotely, anywhere with an internet connection. Unlike regular remote workers, digital nomads frequently move between destinations, exploring while maintaining their work commitments. The COVID-19 pandemic significantly accelerated the trend of remote working, leading to a marked increase in the digital nomad population. In the US alone, there was a nearly 50% rise in digital nomads from 2019, evidencing a substantial shift toward this lifestyle. The digital nomads often gravitate towards destinations that offer a blend of connectivity, lifestyle, and cost efficiency. Specific popular locations can vary, and cities and regions known for their digital nomad communities typically offer robust internet infrastructure, a supportive community, and a desirable quality of life. Some popular examples include Portugal, Bali, Thailand, Australia, Vietnam, and many others. Now, this experience of the digital nomad lifestyle underscores the need for specialized travel insurance that caters to their unique way of living and working. Now, how do digital nomads get health insurance? In the ever-evolving landscape of work and travel, digital nomads face unique challenges, particularly when it comes to securing health insurance. Now, with the freedom to work anywhere comes the responsibility of ensuring they have adequate health coverage worldwide. Exploring specialized insurance providers. The first step for a digital nomad is to look beyond traditional insurance models and explore providers that specialize in international coverage. Certain companies have emerged as frontrunners, offering plans designed specifically for the needs of remote workers and travelers. G1G's platform uses advanced AI technology to sift through a wide range of health insurance options from top providers we are licensed with, including those specifically catering to digital nomads. By inputting your travel details, our AI tools assess your unique needs based on destination, duration, age, medical history, and specific health requirements. Now, these plans are flexible, allowing for month-to-month payments and the ability to start or stop coverage as needed, which is ideal for the unpredictable nature of nomadic life. Leveraging global health insurance plans. Global health insurance plans are another avenue for digital nomads. Unlike travel insurance, which typically covers emergencies and short-term trips, global health plans provide comprehensive medical coverage that nomads can rely on, no matter where they are in the world. Insurers such as Cigna Global and GeoBlue offer customizable plans that can include routine checkups, emergency services, and even dental care, utilizing online platforms and communities. Digital nomads often turn to online platforms and communities for recommendations and advice on choosing the best health insurance. Now, websites like Nomadic Mat and forums such as Reddit's Digital Nomad community are invaluable resources. Here, nomads share their experiences with different insurance providers, offering insights into the pros and cons of various plans. What do digital nomads do for health insurance? Understanding the mechanisms behind acquiring health insurance leads to the question, what exactly do digital nomads do for health insurance? The answer lies in a combination of research, customization, and community support. Customizing insurance plans. Digital nomads typically customize their health insurance plans to match their travel plans and health needs. This might mean opting for a plan with a broader network of hospitals or one that includes repatriation in case of serious illness. The key is to find a balance between comprehensive coverage and affordability, prioritizing flexibility and worldwide coverage. Flexibility is paramount for digital nomads, who may find themselves in Bali one month and Berlin in the next. They prioritize plans that offer worldwide coverage, excluding the need for multiple policies. Additionally, the ability to seek treatment in a variety of countries without facing hefty out-of-pocket costs is a must. Continuous research and adaptation. The digital nomad lifestyle requires continuous adaptation, and the same goes for health insurance. Nomads stay informed about the latest in health insurance offerings, regulatory changes, and health risks in their current or planned destinations. This proactive approach ensures that they are always covered regardless of where their work takes them. Limitations of domestic health insurance abroad. Simply put, domestic health insurance typically provides coverage within the policyholder's home country, with limited or no coverage for international travel. For instance, most US plans don't cover medical care outside the country. EU citizens might have some coverage in other EU countries, but it's not usually comprehensive for all types of care and doesn't extend to countries outside of the EU. Australian health coverage does not extend to most overseas medical expenses. The NHS provides coverage within the UK, but not abroad, except for limited emergency care under EHIC or GHIC in the EU. And now that we've covered domestic health insurance isn't enough for digital nomads, let's talk about why your standard travel insurance plan isn't enough either. Why standard travel insurance may not be enough for digital nomads. Standard travel insurance policies often fall short for digital nomads due to their unique lifestyle needs. Now here's why a specialized approach is necessary. Limited duration of coverage. Traditional policies are designed for short-term travel, typically covering trips that last a few weeks or a couple of months. Digital nomads, on the other hand, often travel for extended periods or indefinitely, requiring continuous coverage that adapts to their nomadic lifestyle. With a lot of digital nomad plans, you can either pay monthly, think akin to a subscription service, or you can pay for the full fee up front. Work-related equipment. Digital nomads rely on tech gadgets like laptops, cameras, and smartphones for their livelihood. Standard policies may not provide sufficient coverage for the loss, damage, or theft of such professional equipment, which is essential for a digital nomad's work. Changing destinations and plans. The nomadic lifestyle is characterized by flexibility and often spontaneous changes in travel plans and destinations. And standard policies usually require fixed itineraries and may not accommodate last-minute changes or extended stays in various countries. Health insurance needs in various locations. Continuous healthcare coverage is vital for digital nomads who may not be eligible for local healthcare services. Standard policies might not offer comprehensive global health coverage or might exclude certain countries. Here's a few examples that illustrate the above. A digital nomad unexpectedly needs to extend their stay in a country due to a work project but finds their standard insurance is about to expire. Or maybe a nomad's laptop is stolen in a cafe and they discover their travel insurance only covers personal, not professional equipment. In these scenarios, the limitations of standard travel insurance become apparent, highlighting the need for policies specifically tailored to the digital nomad lifestyle. The next section will explore the key features digital nomads should look for in a travel insurance plan. 4 key features of travel insurance for digital nomads. When choosing travel insurance, digital nomads should look for policies offering these 4 key features. Long-term coverage options. Nomads often need continuous coverage that extends beyond the typical travel period. Look for policies that offer annual or renewable plans catering to longer stays or indefinite travel schedules. Equipment coverage. Essential tech gear like laptops, cameras, and smartphones are vital for a nomad's work. So seek policies that specifically cover such professional equipment against theft, loss, or damage, ensuring you can work uninterrupted. Flexible policies for changing plans. Digital nomads often adjust their travel plans on the go. Insurance should be adaptable, allowing for changes in destinations or extending coverage without penalizing for plan alterations. And keep in mind, you can also buy these plans after you've started your digital nomad journey. Just know that any emergency or loss that occurred before you purchase your plan will not be covered. Comprehensive health and medical coverage. This is crucial, especially since digital nomads might travel to remote locations with varying healthcare standards. Policies should offer global health insurance coverage, including medical treatment, hospital stays, and potentially emergency evacuation. These features ensure that digital nomads are adequately protected against the unique risks and challenges for their lifestyle, allowing them to work and travel with greater security and less worry. Choosing the right health insurance plan for digital nomads. After understanding the key features needed in a travel insurance policy, digital nomads should focus on these aspects to choose the right plan. Evaluating specific policy details. Look beyond the general coverage options and examine the details. For instance, how does the policy handle claims for lost or damaged equipment? And what are the limits and deductibles? For health coverage, assess the specifics of what is included. Does it cover only emergencies, or does it also include routine healthcare, dental coverage, and wellness checks? Customization and scalability. Since digital nomads' travel plans can change frequently, seek out insurance providers that offer customizable plans. Now, this means being able to adjust coverage levels, add or remove features, and change your coverage area as needed. Consider scalability in terms of policy limits, especially for healthcare. As needs and destinations change, so might your insurance requirements. Cost analysis. Compare the costs of different plans, considering both premiums and out-of-pocket expenses. And cheaper plans might have higher deductibles or less comprehensive coverage. And weigh the long-term cost against the benefits, especially for policies offering extensive medical and equipment coverage. Provider reliability and support. Research the reliability and customer service record of potential insurance providers. Look for reviews or testimonials from other digital nomads. Confirm the availability of customer support, particularly 24/7 assistance, which is crucial for nomads in different time zones. Like we mentioned at G1G, we've developed a groundbreaking AI tool, Intelligent Travel Insurance Risk Assessment, or ITIRA, that revolutionizes how digital nomads prepare for their journeys. ITIRA cross-references a traveler's itinerary against a multitude of travel safety metrics, creating a customized travel safety package tailored to the unique needs and risks of each trip. ITIRA goes beyond the traditional scope of travel insurance. It encompasses not only standard coverage, but also vital services like crisis response and evacuation, offering an additional layer of security in unpredictable situations. Also, G1G provides comprehensive claims support, streamlining what can be a complex and stressful process. If you have any questions about what we just covered, please check out some of our other travel insurance resources, including the playlists and various topics we have on YouTube, or visit our FAQ and Help Center on G1G.com. Now, always feel free to reach out to any of our qualified travel safety advisors on the phone who are standing by 24/7 to help. Choosing the right travel insurance plan for a digital nomad involves careful evaluation of policy details, customization options, cost effectiveness, provider reliability, and finding tools like G1G's ITIRA that are specifically designed for the digital nomad lifestyle. Now, this approach ensures that nomads are equipped with a policy that is as flexible and dynamic as their way of life. Common challenges and solutions. Digital nomads face unique challenges related to their travel and work lifestyle. Understanding these challenges and how the right travel insurance can address them is key to a successful nomadic experience. In this section, we'll break down some challenges and solutions. Now, this will also help us review and contextualize what we've already covered. Here we go. Unpredictable travel situations. Digital nomads often encounter travel disruptions such as flight cancellations, lost luggage, or sudden changes in travel plans. The insurance solution: look for insurance that covers trip cancellations, interruptions, and delays. Policies that include compensation for lost or delayed luggage can also be crucial. Healthcare accessibility. Accessing consistent and reliable healthcare can be difficult, especially when moving between countries with varying medical standards. The insurance solution: to choose a plan that offers comprehensive global health coverage. This should include routine healthcare, dental care, and emergency medical services, ensuring you're covered no matter where you are. Remote work equipment safety. The risk of damage or theft of essential work equipment like laptops and cameras is a significant concern. And the insurance solution: ensure your policy includes coverage for electronic equipment. And this helps manage the financial impact if your work tools are damaged, lost, or stolen. Long-term stay and visa requirements. Some countries have specific insurance requirements for long-term stays or digital nomad visas. Insurance solution: opt for insurance plans that are recognized internationally and meet visa requirements for various countries. This is especially important for plans covering an extended duration. Emergency evacuation and repatriation. Being in a remote location or a country with inadequate medical facilities can be risky in case of serious health issues. Insurance solution: a plan with a high coverage limit for emergency evacuation and repatriation is vital. This ensures you can be transported to a suitable medical facility or back home if needed. By choosing a travel insurance plan that addresses these specific challenges, digital nomads can mitigate the risks associated with their unique lifestyle. Now, this allows them to focus on their work and adventures, knowing they have a safety net tailored to their needs. As we wrap up our exploration into travel insurance for digital nomads, we invite you to join the conversation. Your experiences, insights, and questions are invaluable to this community. Whether you face challenges on the road, discovered a great insurance hack, or have queries about navigating the world of nomad insurance, your contributions can help others in their journey. If you're a seasoned digital nomad with stories to tell, your wisdom can guide newcomers. If you're just starting out and finding your way, your questions might be the same as others are pondering. This exchange of information not only enriches our knowledge, but also strengthens the bond within the digital nomad community. So don't hesitate to share it in the comments below. Tell us about the destinations that captivated you, the hurdles you overcame, and how travel insurance played a role in your nomadic lifestyle. Or, if you're still in the planning stages, ask about anything that's unclear. Remember, in the constantly evolving life of a digital nomad, every shared experience is a learning opportunity for someone else. Let's keep this conversation going, growing together as a global community of wandering professionals. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content on digital nomadism, travel, and remote work. Until next time, travel safe and travel happy, my friends. Disclaimer: we are a travel tech company that makes a profit when you buy travel insurance from us. So I want to make that part clear. However, we verify and vet all of the companies and plans that we offer. Remember, this video is meant to serve as general educational information. Nothing here is medical advice. Always check plan documentations for specific benefit definitions, coverage amounts, exclusions, and limitations.